Well, we started off and we were like, broad, 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 and then we had this one guy that we caught, and he was like, and we were like, and he's like, and we caught him on the outside. And then there was this one time when we got into this rough section, it's like, and you could hear shit clinking, and then the guy behind us was like, whoa, 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 and then we were like, brah, brah, and this shit was popping too at the same time. It was like, bah, 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 and then we hit this one jump, and it was like, bop, bop, and then it goes, and then another jump's coming, and I'm thinking, oh God, we're gonna die and roll over, and it hit that other jump, and it took it, and it rolled to a stop, and our tire was gone. Whole thing, everything. Wheel, hub, everything.
The end.
Goodbye.